Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget Bell, and as promised, I'm posting a link to the spreadsheet on Google Drive that I use when I'm evaluating the tax sale properties in Fulton County, Georgia. So if you're interested, check out the link below this video. I want to do a quick walkthrough of the spreadsheet. So you will need the sheriff's sale number. This will be announced during the tax sale along with the parcel ID. And the situs, which is basically the street address, or if an address was never assigned, it'll have 0. The opening bid in a previous video, which I'll link below, I walked through how to look up the opening bid, meaning the amount of tax plus fees that the county is foreclosing on against that property owner. The value, I also in that video showed you how to look up the value. The zoning. Zoning is very important. Zoning is very important because you want to know upfront that you are able to do what you want with that property based on the current zoning. If you have to go through a rezone, that's just a whole extra level of work. Let me say it that way. But I'll do a separate video about zoning and why it's important and how to work within zoning. And also, if you decide you don't want to work within the existing zoning and want to rezone, I'll do some explanation about that. I also added a notes column so I can look at the size of the property and any other information that I feel like is important to help me make an informed decision. And then I have this last column, which is unlabeled, because what I found is when you drive out to the property, sometimes it's not clear which property it is. So I add notes so I know, okay, it's across from this particular house, or it's at the corner of X and Y. So, but modify this to what you need.